Thank you for visiting ZenLeads, the only cloud-hosted power dialer specifically built to improve business-to-business sales, appointment setting, and lead generation. ZenLeads puts the control of your business back into your hands. That means more revenue, greater efficiency, and increased profit. Once you experience the power and efficiency of ZenLeads, your business will never be the same. Here's how it works. Tom is the owner of a sales company that sets appointments. Chris oversees the appointment setting, and Bill manages the sales team that turns those appointments into sales. Tom uses a simple CRM to handle customer information. Chris has part of his team using a dialer, with the rest hand dialing, and Bill tracks sales on a spreadsheet. These departments lack the reporting tools to really know what is going on and how to make more money. It is like Tom, Chris, and Bill are all trying to drive the company and end up fighting against each other. And what happens? Many sales organizations are just like Tom, Chris, and Bill and struggle to keep their business on the road. That's where ZenLeads comes to the rescue. ZenLeads starts with lead generation and appointment setting, including robust data and reporting. Leads seamlessly transition to Bill and his sales team, and he turns those opportunities into revenue. Tom can oversee the entire sales pipeline and manage customer service on the back end, all from one customizable system. Now Tom, Chris, and Bill all have the information and reporting available to make the best decisions and improve the bottom line as a team. They are now moving the company down the road to success and profit with the help of ZenLeads. To schedule a free demonstration or to start your free 30-day trial, contact us today.